Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Limescale buildup in your electric kettle can block steam passages, creating pressure that makes a whistling sound. This happens when minerals collect on the heating element or spout, narrowing the path for steam. If your kettle whistles unexpectedly, it's a clear sign you need to descale it to keep it safe and efficient.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.